the credit card mask. What do we have to do here? Well, we have to create a function maskify, and what we have to do is to maskify all the characters but the last 4. And if the credit card has less than 4 numbers, then we should just return the credit card number without maskifying anything. How to go about that? Yeah, let's start with printing out the credit card and its respective length with the length property. Here we have the credit card number and the length, but what we have to cut off are the last 4 characters, because we have to maskify everything but these characters. How do we cut it off? Well, with slicing. Let's say that we only want to have the last 4 characters, then we can use the following: cc square brackets colon, and on the left hand side we identify from which character on we want to print, and on the right hand side we can identify where we want to stop printing out the string. Let's say that I want to print out the first 4 characters from index 0 till index 4. Then we get 4, 5, 5, 6. But if I want to have the last 4 characters, then I can use the following notation on the left hand side -4, and that will print out the last 4 characters. Yeah, and those are the characters that we want to preserve. Let's store that to a variable. Last 4 is equal to this. But then we have to maskify all the other characters. Well, what I strictly want to do is just to create a new string of hashtags based on the length of the string minus the last 4 characters. As we have seen, the credit card has 16 characters, but we have to subtract the last 4 characters from the length to generate the string of hashtags. So the credit card length is equal to the length of the credit card minus the length of the last 4 characters. And what I want to do is the following: if the length of the credit card is more than 4 characters, then we have to do something. Then we have to return a string of hashtags multiplied by the credit card length. Or let's rename this to hashtag length. Hashtag. That's more descriptive. Let's try that out. There we have it. But we have to add the last 4 characters, of course, so plus the last 4 characters. Yeah, and that should work out. Else, we can just return the credit card without altering the string. For example, when we add this, it should just return 1. Yeah, well, let's try this out. There we go. Works like a charm. If this has been useful, please consider dropping a like. I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.